In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trello to PDF with images, 5 minutes. If you need a quick snapshot of your Trello board to share or archive, you can do it right from your browser. And I'll walk you through the essentials so your images and details come through as cleanly as possible. First, sign into Trello using a desktop browser for the best results. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have access to the board you want to export. Open that board so it's fully visible in your browser. It helps to collapse unnecessary sidebars, load all lists you want to include, and scroll briefly through the board so cover images and thumbnails finish rendering before you export. What you see on screen is generally what the browser will try to capture. Next, use your browser's built-in print function. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+P. On a Mac, press Command+P. You can also open your browser menu and choose Print if the shortcut isn't convenient. In the Print dialog, change the destination to Save as PDF. This tells your browser to generate a PDF instead of sending the page to a physical printer. Before saving, adjust a few options to improve the result. If your board is wide, switch the layout to landscape. Set the scale so entire lists fit without being cut off. Somewhere between 70% and 90% often works well, but use the preview to guide you. Choose smaller margins if you want to maximize space, and enable background graphics if your browser offers that option, so colors, badges, and some images display more accurately. If the board is very long, consider selecting a specific page range to export a focused section. Go ahead and save, choosing a clear file name and location. Keep in mind, this browser method is a quick snapshot. It may not capture every image, long card details, or attachments inside cards, and occasionally parts of wide lists can be truncated. For a simple overview, though, it works fast and requires no extra tools. If you need a more complete export, consider Trello power-ups designed for exporting, such as Board Export or Smart Export. These add-ons can generate PDFs that include richer card content and images, and often provide options to include descriptions, checklists, and more. Availability and features can vary, and some advanced exports may require a paid plan or admin approval, so review the details before enabling them. That's it. Use the browser method for a quick PDF snapshot or a power-up when you need a thorough image-rich export.